Hello everyone, my name is Sasuje Colin Leseho. I work as a Health and Safety Officer at the Department of Occupational Health and Safety. Welcome to our new weekly Occupational Health and Safety Toolbox Talk Tips. This is where we will be sharing easy tips on how to keep your workplace and organization safe. At the Department of Occupational Health and Safety, our mission is to ensure a safe working environment for all workplaces across Botswana. We do this by reviewing occupational health and safety laws and regulations, monitoring the implementation of occupational health and safety policy, conducting workplace inspection to ensure compliance to Workers' Compensation Act and Factories Act, and also investigating workplace incident and accident. We also facilitate the workers' compensation claims. Occupational health and safety is about protecting every person in the workplace. It is not about rules or laws in the workplace. It is about making sure that you go back home as healthy as you were when you arrived in the morning. The benefits are huge. It prevents injuries and illness in the workplace. It also boosts employee morale and productivity. Occupational health and safety reduces the cost in businesses. It also ensures that there is compliance in the organization. Over the next coming weeks, we will dive into practical tips that align with our mission. Let us make every workplace safe together. For more information on occupational health and safety issues, please contact the number below. Thank you.